Today we have the 2014 Bmw X3. This vehicle has done just over 71,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. On our screen we can access navigation, smartphone integration, radio and multimedia. We also have our contacts, connected drive, vehicle information and settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen is our dual zone climate control, and if we press our mode button we can switch between sport, comfort and eco pro. As we go into the back of the vehicle we can see that it has a full leather black interior.